Hello friends, I am Ambika. Welcome to SA Educational Hub, a platform to share knowledge, service providers, Situn and Ambika. In this Python tutorial, we will learn how is the len function in Python used in a list. Len function. The len function will return the number of values that are in a list passed to it. To get a better understanding of the function, let's examine an example of len function in Python. Example. In this example, the first thing I did was create a new list with the three string elements cat, dog and cow and assign it to the variable mylist. In this example, the len function will return the number of values that are in a list passed to it. That means the len function returns the length of the list. It is then passed to print function to be displayed on the screen. The list mylist has three elements. The len function returns an integer value of 3. In the last statement, the argument passed to the len function mylist2 is an empty list. So it will return an integer value of 0. You can pass any sequence such as a string, tuple or list or a collection such as a dictionary or set you want to the len function and it will return the length of the sequence. A sequence length is the number of elements it has. Empty list or any empty sequences have a length of 0. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Next video is list function in Python. Contact us ambikarai27@gmail.com. Please feel free to contact us if you have any questions or suggestions. Thank you.